Right, hi everyone, welcome back. Right, a little while ago I put all the handbrake cable and stuff on, and Marty from Crap to Cream, he's got a couple of MG roadsters over in Australia. He pointed out that there was a spring missing, which I didn't know because it wasn't there when I took the old cable off. Anyway, like up near the handbrake, there's a spring, and I've bought a new one of these as well, because as you can see that's shaped. Whereas my one, because there's been no spring holding tension on it, has beat it flat, which is probably why it's to run a tap through it. So I want to get under there and fit this spring and a new brass nut. Right, so yeah, if you haven't checked out Marty's channel, I'm not going to put a link in, but if you search Crap to Cream you'll find it, and yeah, he does quite a lot of stuff, and it's warmer there. Right, so let's get this off again. Looks like I've bent that somehow, slightly. Anyway, right. That's 9/16. This floor's bloody freezing. I think I might get a deep 9/16 socket. It might be a bit quicker. Maybe not. Oh, bashing there's not much room under it. The camera's literally where I want to be. Oh, my fingers are freezing and hopefully you can see now that, see, that's got shape on it and that's flat. It's actually worn that down as well by the look of it. Alright, so now we'll pull that back out again, and then we get a washer on there and slide that out there. Then we'll put the spring on like that. And then another washer. And then we'll try and get that back through the hole. Oh, I can't see there. Oh, God. I've moved the handbrake now, though, haven't I? So I have to go and release the handbrake back down. That's it. I've got it now. Don't panic, everyone. Right, and that's my new nail. Oh, I don't know how far to go with this because I'll try that there for now, I think. Obviously that nut's slightly longer, so with it being slightly longer, it's probably, don't know. Yeah, if it's slightly longer, then it's going to be pulling a little bit sooner. So I'll see how many clicks I've got. Loads of clicks, so that could still go some more. Oh, bugger. Right, see, I wouldn't have thought that spring would have that much tension on it, but oh well. So even now it's still coming up about 5 clicks. So just give it a little bit more and then we'll call that it, I think. God, these grips are naff. Oh, shit. Get a bloody grip on it now. No, I don't think I'm going to go any more than that. I think I might need to adjust the back brakes up slightly. I think that's probably the trouble now. So, yeah, that's fitted anyway. So, thanks for watching. Just a quick one.